chargebacks, and fraud losses can quietly drain your revenue. But Shopify Flow can help you catch risky orders before they become a problem. Here, the merchant asks Sidekick to build a flow safety net that flags suspicious orders automatically. Sidekick understands the request and starts building the workflow logic directly inside Shopify Flow. Here's the draft. It checks new orders, looks for fraud signals, and routes risky orders for internal review. Let's open Preview and review the workflow inside the Flow Builder. The workflow opens as a draft, ready to review before it goes live. The automation starts when an order is created. Next, the condition checks for key risk signals: a high fraud risk, an order value over $1,000, or a billing and shipping address mismatch. If the order matches the risk conditions, the workflow moves through the review path. It tags the order, places it on hold, and sends an internal email alert to the right team. Once everything looks correct, turn on the workflow. Your fraud review process is now active. Now, when a risky order appears, Shopify shows the flagged order along with the timeline of what happened. Your team can review faster, reduce fraud exposure, and protect revenue with Shopify Flow.